Now I'll show the magic. Here you see the magic. That's great. I am getting the required values, but I have a tiny little problem over here. Why I'm getting a blank over here? Why I'm getting a blank over here? Now I feel that there is another issue over here. I'm not getting anything from the respective dates because it's a date table. So I'm not getting any date over here. So how can I bring the date and how I can remove this blank thing? So that's need to be sorted out. That how I can remove that blank thing from here. I just don't like this thing that I'm getting a blank. Now how we can remove this sort of a thing that we are facing the blank thing. Let's go to our DAX budgets. We'll see that how we can remove this thing. I have total returns and total returns is getting a thing that we have getting a blanks over. I just counted the rows. So I have to implement a new thing. I'll just say that this is like total return. So I have to change it to something new. I'll just say that this is my total return like this, and I have to calculate a new total return. Okay, so I'll go over here and I'll have to replace this thing with a new money. So how I'm going to make a new money? I'll say total return like this. And again, the new thing is that I'll go for a new formula, and the new formula says that like if the logic says, what should be the logic over here? That it should be if it's not blank, then you should return a value of the total return whatsoever is coming. Okay, if it's not blank, then you have to return a value, and the true value should be total return. And if it's like it's a blank, then you don't have to say blank, you have to say 0. Okay, if you have to show a 0 over here. So I'll write it like not. I'll select not, and this is like is blank, and what is should not be blank is not should not be blank. It should be like total sales, total return. Sorry, total. That's our total, right? And it should be not be blank, and this is like now our true statement would be like if it's not blank, then what should it be? Then you have to return total return over, right? And again, what should be the false statement? The false statement should be true, 0, and now it's closed. Now see that what we are getting. Let's try this thing. Now we have to replace this with the new Maya, and I'm going to replace it with total return. Okay, it's the same value, but because right now we are getting everything over here, so I'm not going to change anything. So I have to just add this thing over here, comma, and now I'm going to see what is the result of my blanks. I'll start doing the things from here. Getting no blank, no blank over here, and I was getting some blanks at the start of. Let me see. I was getting a blank over here. Boom! I am getting a blank over here. Boom! I'm getting the 0 over here. So this is what I wanted. This is what I wanted, guys. I wanted to have a 0 over here just to show that there is no return over here. But do you think that there is one thing that is missing right now that could have been fixed over here in a tooltip? I'm not getting any dates over here, right? So let's fix this issue as well, that how we can include the dates. So now I'm going to add the dates over here, right? So I'm going to go again to my tooltip, and I'm just going to just squeeze a little bit of my this thing, right? I just squeeze a little bit of my pie chart, donut chart, and I'm going to drag these down a little bit so that I could add date. I should be knowing this thing that where my date is coming right. So here I'm getting this, and just grab it over here and do a little bit squeezing like this, and I'm going to drag it a little bit more so that I could add date. That's it. So now what I'll do, I'll add date over. Okay, and how I could add a date over here, I'm just going to drag my date. I'm going to just add my date over here, like here's my date, and I'm going to take it over here like this. But I don't want everything over here, I'm just going to have the date. So I'm going to select only date from the hierarchy, and I'm going to add it to the card vision. So I'm getting an earliest date, that's my date, right? I'm going to just format it over here a little bit. I just want to see that what sort of date I'm getting it over here. I just don't need a label. I don't want it to have any effect over here. I'll just remove that. I'm going to have simply a date. So I'm going to color it up something new. This color is nice. Yeah, this one is nice. Quite resembling to the date. And this is what I'm doing. I'm going to hold it up, and I'm going to just change the font. This is my date, guys. Change it a little bit further down. Yeah, this one is good. So guys, this is my date. So I'm getting its simple date over here. I can change the format of the date as well. So I'll go to my sales and see that what sort of things I'm getting. See, I'm having the date change. There's another way you can change a date, where you have to take the selected value, and you have to add that selected value. You have to create a Maya, and you can create a Maya like this. The Maya could be created like if I can create a Maya, I'll just go over here to my tooltip, and I'll create a Maya of selected date, and here you can add the order date. This could also work. This is another thing that could work perfectly. Okay, so I'll go for this thing that it should be like current date, a new Maya like current date. Okay, and for current date you can add it like let's suppose I say that it's like selected value. Okay, selected value, and I go to I have sales, and sales I have already. Okay, that's it. Boom. And this is my current date. Now what I'll do, I'll change the visual from here. The earliest date, it's like saying it's the earliest date I have. So I change this thing to my current date. Where is my current date? This is my current date. So now it's getting a blank. Okay, why it's getting a blank now? Why I'm not getting any value? So I'll go over here. I'll say that this is what I'm getting. So this gives you an opportunity to have a variability on your date. So this is another way you can add the date. And here the perfection is that you are getting whatsoever you had it over there, it cannot be changed. That's the best way. But I am having an issue over here. I have to change the date. So what I'll do that I'll go to again to tooltip. I'll select this thing, select the date, and what I'll do, I'll change form. So the selected value means you'll get the what would you want it. So this is how you can get a better judgment of your day. I'll select this one. Right? So now this is the reason I'm getting a blank over here. Blank is an open option. Whatsoever I want to do it, because I'm selecting a date from here. I'm not doing anything else. So I'm selecting a date right now, like this. So it's my order value that is getting me a value over here. So it's connected to my fact table right now. I have a relation with my fact table, so I'm getting this thing from here. So guys, it's very simple to automate your tooltips. Like I've added a day, now I'm getting the values on the basis of my day. My returns are getting a zero value if there is no return. Similarly, if you want to have anything with the quantity, you are not getting a quantity over here, you can add a quantity over here. And the other thing is that you can add, you can do the same thing with the returns and the quantity sold and the profit. The way you are doing the things with the return values, if you are getting it done. So this is how you can well define the things. So just call it a day.